Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. It's been a while. Yes, I know, but I got some good stuff. Today I have two items from Bape and one from Human Made. Yes, these all three are recently released, and I think we'll start off with this one first. Now this is a Bathing Ape and Hugo Boss collaboration piece. I got two items from the capsule. One, of course, is this t-shirt and the Bapesta shoe. Alright, so let's start off with this one. Comes in this simple bag, nothing too fancy. It's not using the standard Bape bag. Most likely is something made by Hugo Boss or Hugo. Alright, it's very, very nice. I think in the collection itself, this one is one of the simplest and nicest. Alright, so if you look at the bag, these are the codes. I got it in XL because I believe these are not Japan size. So maybe I'll try it out later. So let's start off with the tag. It's got a beautiful black and red tag. You got a Hugo Boss and Mr. Bathing Ape. And yes, this is expensive because it's using the Mr. Bathing Ape sub-brand, I would say. Alright, so it has this hang tag, Hugo Boss, Mr. Bathing Ape. It's got this special camo design specifically for the collaboration. I think it's pretty nice. Again, it's got that lines across, which is what Mr. Bathing Ape camos are all about. These are the motto itself, I think, the marketing material. This is the tag. Again, it retails for $14,300, about 143 US dollars, or probably less now because of the exchange rate. Got a nice embroidery right in front here. Beautiful Miss Hugo, Mr. Bathing Ape right there. Feels really, really nice. It doesn't feel rough. It's definitely different from the standard Bathing Ape t-shirts where it's quite rough. And here at the back, you got the huge print Hugo, Mr. Bathing Ape, apes together strong. Underneath, you got this very special piece of camo here. Again, this ABC camo green. Very, very nice touch. Simple things like these really elevate the quality, I think, of the piece. So you got a tag here. Nowhere. Alright, the golden ape head as always. And I think this is the standard Hugo Boss tag. Right, that's about it. Pretty simple, but I think it really makes a statement piece. Sorry for the light, but yeah, I think this is really nice how they just made this. So anything on the sleeves? No. Alright, yeah, pretty simple, feels great. Alright, let's put that to the side. Now let's go to Human Made, this collaboration. Okay, I got the XL version. Again, this is a football jersey. They come in black and red. I got the black one. Probably should have gone for the red one because I am a Liverpool fan and I like red, kind of. But the other problem is that, you know, it's a little bit telling for people who are a bit larger size if they wear bright colors. This is interesting because it's a Budweiser Wasted Youth. I'm not sure if it's a collaboration. Definitely a collaboration, but yeah, I thought I saw this on the website on Human Made. I thought I might as well get it. You can get these, in fact, the Hugo Boss one as well from the Hugo Boss website. But I would suggest to get it from Japan because I think it's way cheaper in Japan than if you get from, you know, the US or Europe version in Hugo Boss website. This one sold out pretty fast. I think in less than a minute, everything was gone. There's a lot of paper for this one. Wow, look at that. It's probably because there's a lot of prints, I guess. So yeah, it's a nice football jersey, polyester, definitely. It's thick. It's got a beautiful embroidery here. Not sure what it is, yeah, but you know, with human made, they're starting to use animal motifs, the tiger, the polar bear, and the duck. So yeah, I'm not sure about that. So here you got the tag, which is on sideways. Okay, Wasted Youth, Budweiser. Yeah, pretty nice. I think it's a very unique piece. Very reminiscent of a nostalgic football jersey. You can see there. Very nice prints of the Budweiser and then Wasted Youth right there. Wasted Youth embroidery here. On the back, you get the number 10. Wasted Youth. Very, very nice. Budweiser at the back. Front and back. White collar. So let's see. So you can see how the inside's got that polyester material. Very, very nice. It feels rather small, but I've got to check it out later. Just got a tag here. Made in China. For those who may want to know. Yeah. No buttons here. Just a round neck with the collar sewn on top over it. It's a very unique design. Pretty cool. Nothing on the sleeves. Yeah, it's pretty dope. Love it. I'm gonna check it out. I'm gonna wear it very soon. Now, the main attraction right here is of course the Hugo Boss and Bape shoe. Again, it's based on the Bapesta, as with most collaborations with Bape nowadays. So you slide it out from the side. I've got this nice shoe bag here. Very, very nice. I don't want it to capture the light so you can see. Yeah, you can see that. Very, very nice shoe bag. Right, you can see right there. Very, very nice touch. Lovely, lovely. Let's put it on the side here. Extra shoelaces in red. Nice touch. Chrome tips right there. And you can see there's a bit of a Bapesta logo right there. If you can see that. Wonderful. Look at these. Look at these. Nice. Very nice. 8 cut, you know, logos right there. Very, very nice. Reminiscent of the other logos. Yep. Very, very nice. On the inside, you got the camo paper. Just be gentle with it. Now, if you intend to get these Bapestas, I would strongly suggest you try and cop them from Japan. It's way cheaper. I think it's about $290 US dollars if you get it in Japan. But if you get it from the Hugo store, it's I think $300 to $400 for that. Yeah, so it's way more expensive from Hugo itself. Let's pull this out so you can see that on the inside what it's all about. Oh my god, this is tough. This is tough. Okay, out and about. This looks really nice. Again, nothing wrong with anything black and red. I think it's a fantastic combination. You get the nice Mr. Bathing Ape print. It's gray prints, camel prints with the lines across. And I love this tag. I love this tag. Right, so flexy, so showy. It's amazing. Feels like leather, puffy leather. That's very nice. You got the Bapesta at the back, both sides as well. All right, pretty cool. On the inside, you got the Bapesta logo right there, the star logo, and you've got this chrome lace holder. Right, I think that's what it's called. I keep getting it wrong. Again, you can change out the laces for the red ones, which I might do, I think. On the tongue itself, you got the Bapesta in red color. inside, Hugo, Mr. Bathing Ape. Very, very nice. You got the nice tag here on the inside with a bit of camo, size 29, US 11. Okay, it's a little bit small, but I'll work with it. Just don't wear socks. Okay, underneath you got the standard Bapesta, also right there. Pretty standard. I like it. Definitely feels good. Feels nice. You got a chrome tip here on the holes. Overall, fantastic. Fantastic shoe. I think it takes a little bit of creativity when they do a collaboration with different brands and they use the Bapesta framework. I think it really looks good. Yeah. Hugo Boss. Yeah, on the inside. On the inside, yeah, it's leather as well. But yeah, you can tell it's leather. It's very, very nice. It smells good as well. Smells really nice. Doesn't smell plasticky at all. Alright? But it just smells fresh. Alright? I think I didn't run through the box, I think. But yeah, it's pretty standard all across. Yeah, I might do a fitting video soon. Alright? Keep up to date. Again, these tags are just out here. Looks really good, nice. Let's see what's on the back. I think the back of his head. Yeah, very nice. On the inside, maybe there's any detail. Yeah, the red, red head. Yeah, the back of his head. It's pretty nice. Yeah, nice detail. Oh, of course I forgot. As with any Bapesta, on the tongue itself, there's a lot of gibberish wording at the back here. You can pause the video and try and read it. Probably doesn't make much sense. But overall, it feels a little bit heavy. Yeah, but this colorway, I just gotta say, it's really, really nice. If you like gray, if you like Bapestas, if you like black and red colorways, this is a fantastic piece. You won't go wrong, but I do suggest you get the one from Japan because you'll be paying $300 to $400 if you buy it from the Europe or US sites on Hugo.com or something like that, or Hugo Boss website. So try to get it from Japan. You'll probably be paying about $280 or something like that. Reseller price, of course, because these are all sold out, right? Yeah, hope you liked the video. Follow me on IG at LKHOE23. I'll catch you guys in the next video. See ya.